So for us to get started and start writing our HTML, we will need something called a text editor. So what is a text editor? A text editor is a software which you use to write code. Back in the days, we used to use something called Notepad to write code, which makes writing code very stressful. So recently, there have been many text editor out there, but the most common one that is used by the community is Visual Studio Code. It makes writing code very easy and simple for you. So in order to get Visual Studio Code, get to your Chrome or any browser you are using, then you can just simply search download VS Code, then hit enter. Then hit on the first search result you see on your Google. It will take you to the official page of Visual Studio Code. So here you can choose the operating system you're using. This one is for Windows, this one is for Linux, then this one is for Mac. So I'll simply click on Windows, whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you click on it, then it will take you to this page. As you can see, it's downloading. So you can see the download is complete. All you just need to do is to click on the installation file like this, then accept the agreement, hit next, then make sure this is checked, add to parts, and this, then click next. Then I already have Visual Studio on my system, so all you just need to do is to just click on install and it will install on your system.